The ultra-terrestrials, I think, have you heard of the P-52s and the P-47s? Do you know what that is? They're us from the future.
Hello， 大家好，我係 K 先生。想象一下，當你望上天空，發現不明飛行物體嘅時候，你可能會即刻諗佢哋係嚟自遙遠星系嘅外星人。但係有冇可能佢哋係我哋幾萬年之後嘅子孫？
They're from here. They are you. They are me. They're from here. From the future.
穿越時間返嚟我哋呢個時間點，佢哋返嚟唔係為咗觀光，而係為咗一啲更加重要嘅事情。究竟未來發生咗咩可怕嘅事？呢個唔係科幻小說內容，而係近年一個令人心寒嘅理論 P47 同埋 P52。提出呢個講法嘅係一位女科學家叫 Amy， 佢專門研究反重力推進技術，但係佢喺2022年離奇死亡，被列入神秘失蹤科學家名單之一。但係喺佢死之前，佢同2個朋友做咗3個小時嘅 interview， 佢會唔會講咗一啲唔應該講嘅嘢？影片嘅連結我放咗喺描述欄，有興趣聽晒嘅可以去睇睇。講返轉頭，到底佢知道咗乜嘢？點解佢用呢2個號碼嚟稱呼嗰啲外星人？如果佢哋真係我哋嘅後代，咁樣未來係咪真係發生咗啲事情，令佢哋唔能夠唔穿越返嚟呢個時間？究竟我哋呢個時間點有咩咁特別？以下嘅內容唔會講外星科技，但係對你同我都有極大嘅影響。如果你對時間旅行、平行宇宙、外星人真相呢啲話題都感興趣，呢一集你絕對唔可以錯過。今集我哋會先講 Amy 嘅背景同埋離奇故事開始，仲有佢爆料關於星際旅行同埋反重力技術，佢點樣定義 P47 同埋 P52， 未來嘅浩劫同埋人類分裂。最後我會分享少少我嘅睇法。鍾意聽嘅朋友記得訂閱、點讚同埋分享俾朋友。Amy 嚟自美國 Huntsville， 一個被稱為火箭城嘅地方，係 NASA 同埋航天科技嘅重鎮。佢父親係一位資深嘅火箭工程師，曾經參與 NASA 項目。Amy 佢本人擁有電機工程、化學、物理等多項專長，係典型嘅跨界別天才。佢原本喺生物科技領域工作，但係後來全力轉去反重力推進、零點能源同埋先進物理研究，仲有創立奇異科學研究所 The Institute for Exotic Science。呢個機構專注反重力、量子計算同埋超材料嘅研究。Amy 喺2018年一次公開演講中提到，反重力研究其實已經有近100年嘅歷史，由早期嘅 Big Phil Brown 效應、Tesla 嘅推進概念，到後來嘅 Pocketknot 超導體重力屏障等等。首先簡單同大家解釋咩叫反重力。喺傳統物理學裏面，重力係令我哋腳踏實地，反重力技術就係產生一種反向力場，抵消或者操控重力。想象一下，火箭唔需要燒大量燃料，就能夠垂直起飛、懸浮或者實現高速嘅星際旅行。呢個唔止改變交通，更係改變人類文明嘅關鍵技術。Amy 同佢爸爸相信，反重力技術其實一早已經被少數獨立研究者發現，但係長期受到壓制，唔俾佢公開。佢曾經公開表示，美國國家安全局有一份清單，上面寫咗幾個獨立發現呢項技術嘅人，其中包括佢爸爸。咁樣意味住呢個技術突破好有可能俾政府或者秘密組織封鎖，冇辦法俾普通人知道。喺片裏面 ，Amy 有講解自己正面臨威脅，包括入侵、監控同埋落藥等等。我哋抽其中一 part 聽一聽。
The third time we noticed someone had broken in, he plugged in a pair of Bluetooth headphones to charge into a micro USB right as we left. We go to the bar, it's like a Sunday afternoon. We go to the bar and we work for a while together in one car. We come back, the headphones are unplugged. They're exactly where we left them. He plugged them in at 36% battery. We left, we come back. They're unplugged, they're at 36% battery.Which means someone unplugged them almost immediately after we left.
Amy 多次表示佢知道公開呢啲資料可能會被殺或者面臨危險，但係同時佢提到有一啲人，包括部分嘅支持者同埋投資者，叫佢放心公開，鼓勵佢將資料公佈出嚟。最後佢選擇公開，佢強調自己需要盡快公開呢啲資料，如果唔係情況會越嚟越危險。佢認為公開資料係保護自己嘅最好方式。等外界知道真相，同時佢暗示如果自己出事就一定唔係自殺。
I started the Institute for one reason, the Institute. I started it as a public-facing persona to disclose anti-gravity technology through.
好可惜，仲喺佢準備大規模披露呢啲研究嘅前夕 ，Amy 卻突然之間喺2022年離奇去世，官方判定為自殺。Amy 喺片裏邊除咗同主持人傾應該要點樣公佈資料之外， 佢仲有提到 Hannibal Saucer， 呢個就係傳聞中納粹德軍喺戰末嘅時候做出嚟嘅初期反重力圓形飛行器，仲有一個參加過美國秘密太空任務 SSP 攞住日本武士刀嘅時間旅行軍人。呢啲我哋有機會再講。
This guy, this investor, brings Hal to our house 3 times. I happened to be home from Seattle at the same time that Hal came over, and I sat with him in my dining room over there at the dining room table.
喺影片入邊，佢話透過一位投資者介紹，認識咗 Howard Puthoff， 佢係美國中央情報局資助項目裏邊嘅量子物理學家，亦都係曾經參與美國國防部先進航空武器系統嘅顧問，長時間參與 UFO 研究工作。
And he was talking about ultra-terrestrials. And basically, ultra-terrestrials are like, he talks about extraterrestrial, extra implies that they're from somewhere else, from the outside.
Amy 話有一次 Hal 去佢屋企，佢哋傾到關於 extraterrestrials 同埋 ultraterrestrials， 而當中嘅 extra 係指地球以外嘅意思，即係外星人。
Extra implies they're from not here, from outside. Ultra-terrestrial,
They're from the Delta.
they're not necessarily from the outside, they're from here.
而 Hal 就強調佢講緊嘅唔係傳統嘅外星人，而係 ultraterrestrials 係嚟自地球嘅。
Oh, so they're like ascended beings, or
No.
so then they're you.
No.
IIQ.
No,
What are they?
they're not ascended.
主持人 Jeremy 就追問 Amy 到底呢啲係咪 ascending being， 意思即係問呢啲 ultraterrestrials 係咪喺靈性層面提升到更高意識或者更高維度嘅存在。
They look like you and me. They look like you and me. The ultra-terrestrials, I think, have you heard of the P-52s and the P-47s? Do you know what that is? They're us from the future. They're from here. They are you. They are me. They're from here, from the future. P-47 is present plus 47,000 years. P-52 is present plus 52,000 years.
而 Amy 就直接答佢 ultraterrestrial 係嚟自未來嘅人類 ，P47 就係現在加上47,000年 ，P52 就係現在加上52,000年。
And basically there's a calamity, right? So there's like a apocalypse scenario in the near future. It wipes out most of like everything, man. And there's the ones that go underground and survive, right? And then there's the ones that somehow stay on the surface and miraculously don't die. And
佢話不久嘅將來，地球會有一個大災難，個情景就好似末日一樣，將地球上所有嘢幾乎摧毀。有一部分人匿埋喺地底並且生存下來，又有另外一部分人揾方法喺地面上生活，又奇蹟地死唔去。當佢講到第3個時候，佢仲冇再講落去，但係我哋可以從佢嘅手勢大概估到佢想講乜嘢。當佢講有一班人進入地底嘅時候，手指明顯放喺畫面下面，然後到佢講有一班人需要留喺地面求生嘅時候，手指放喺畫面上面。最後佢講第3，但係淨係做咗合掌向上推嘅手勢，意思極有可能係飛離地球。可惜 Amy 冇再透露更多內容，佢只係留低呢個簡單但係充滿想像空間嘅時間線。各位 ，Amy 已經冇辦法再透露更多嘅秘密，佢只係留低一條簡單嘅時間線。未來地球會發生大災難，一部分人會匿入地底，而另一部分人會喺地面奇蹟地活下來。最後仲有一批人選擇離開地球。3個群體因為唔同嘅生存選擇，各自走上完全唔同嘅道路。但係經過幾萬年之後，佢哋又返到嚟我哋呢個時代。如果佢哋真係擁有咁高超嘅科技，理論上資源都好充足，點解仲要冒險返嚟？係想改變歷史，拯救我哋避開災難，定係為咗幫自己解決災難後留低嘅後遺症？但係如果改變歷史，就等於抹殺咗自己嘅存在基礎。回到過去嘅意義到底係為乜嘢？下一集我哋用第一性原則去逐個拆解呢啲問題。我哋要從生物學、時間旅行邏輯、資源限制、人性等等嘅角度去推演佢哋嘅真正目的。鍾意呢一類深度推論嘅朋友，記得訂閱、點讚同埋分享。仲有喺留言區話俾我知你嘅睇法，你認為佢哋返嚟嘅真正原因係咩呢？我哋下集見。
My gosh! We're all going against the wind. The wind's 120 knots to the west. What do you all think, dude? not us though, is it? It's not. That is LNS, dude. Well, if there's like... Look at this thing! It's rotating.